Welcome back to the E-sav YouTube channel. Today we're going to be soldering copper pipes to make a faucet for my brother's van, because he's doing a van build. So yeah, let's go. This is my brother, the person I was talking about with the van build that we're making the faucet for. So first, well, I forgot to film this part, but first we used sandpaper and sandpapered the tip of the pipe, like the inside and the outside, and then you take flux and do the same with flux. You coat the tip inside and outside. Now let's get to the video. Since you guys are probably using this video to learn how to solder pipes together, first you will need solder, second you will need pipes, third you will need a blowtorch. First you make the pipe really hot. Right now I am about to solder the pipes together.
So when it's hot enough, you'll kind of put it on the pipe and give it a little bit of a push almost, like very light, and it'll just sink in.
Okay.
But it's not hot enough quite yet.
Okay.
Alright, try now. It's very light. Make sure it's on the crack. There you go. Look at that. Now go around and do it. Good. Is that all?
Yep, it went all
Okay,
around.
good. Elijah, can you grab me my paper towel?
Now you wipe the solder off of the pipe with a paper towel.
Okay, watch out. I'm gonna move this.
Okay. Look at that shine.
There we go.
Right where it's shining is where we just did it. Bye.